My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Mni One. This vehicle has done just under 66,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that the Mni comes with automatic wipers, automatic headlights, and a keyless ignition. On the screen, we can access our settings, services, Bluetooth, radio, multimedia, and vehicle information. Just below the screen, we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.